Traditional handcrafts themselves are a work of art. Artisans will pass on good skills from generation to generation, and this inheritance has no national boundaries. As early as 2005, we were the first group to inherit handmade copper products from our predecessors. At that time, we had yet to learn about brand marketing. We just wanted to make every product carefully so that we could make money so that our family could live a good life. During these nearly 10 years, we have made more than 10,000 customized products. However, with the increase in market demand, some shoddy products have appeared, creating products that imitate manual forging and selling them openly in the name of handmade. The counterfeit handmade products produced by these machines cause more than damage to consumers' trust, which will put more and more traditional artisans in trouble. A true artisan can focus on producing good products for decades, but cannot resist and argue about authenticity. The reason why we make the Akicon Handcraft brand is to protect real artisans and good products. We will record the production process of each handcraft and send it to our customers for confirmation. We hope customers can feel artisans' passion for making products through these. Over the years, we have continuously experimented and improved our products according to customer needs, and more people have gradually loved Akicon Handcrafts products. Although cultures worldwide vary widely, we have always believed home must be the most authentic and loving place. We aim to convey the most sincere emotions through every product. By working hard to make every product, our artisans will receive more and more recognition and respect. We also hope that this handcraft skill can be better passed down through our efforts. Akicon, to be a kitchen icon.